India, with a population of 1.4 billion people, relies heavily on healthcare to ensure the well-being of its citizens. However, the improper disposal of medical waste, including items like blooded cotton, PPE kits, syringes, and body parts, poses significant risks. This untreated waste not only endangers healthcare workers and waste handlers, but also threatens the environment and wildlife. This is where the pioneers step in. Introducing Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited, a trailblazing company that has been leading the charge in biomedical waste management since 2003. Situated between the southern bank of Brahmaputra River and the foothills of the Shillong Plateau, Fresh Air is the pioneer in the disposal of biomedical waste and liquid waste management in the entire northeast region. Fresh Air established the first common biomedical waste treatment facility in the entire northeastern region. Since 2004, this facility has been providing services to over 400 healthcare facilities in Guwahati and Lower Assam. Not stopping there, Fresh Air has been providing solutions for liquid waste management for the past 15 years. They have supplied and installed a wide range of effluent treatment plants and sewage treatment plants across various industries and hospitals in the region. The Forstec Engineering, the company which is also an organization under the Fresh Air Group, manufactures plastic granules from the recycled plastic waste from Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited.
Hi, my name is Parthapratim Pathak. I am the founder and director of Fresh Air Waste Management Services and the founder of Forstec Engineering. Our company has been involved in disposal of biomedical waste for last 2 decades. And we are the second company, Forstec Engineering, is also recycling plastics for last 2 years.
At Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited, employees are their greatest asset. With over 150 dedicated individuals, they prioritize their well-being above all else. They invest in their growth, providing comprehensive training on government norms and standards for biomedical waste management. But going further, they organize regular health camps, ensuring timely checkups and care for their team. And they provide medical insurance offering peace of mind and security for them and their families. Because at Fresh Air, they know their success is rooted in the dedication and well-being of their employees. Together, they strive for excellence, ensuring a healthier, happier tomorrow for all.
Hello, I am Rupamani Pathak, Director of Fresh Air Group of Industries. मैं यहाँ की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और एम्प्लॉई वेलफेयर को देखती हूँ।
पेशियार কোম্পানীত আমি এটা বহুত বছৰ কাম কৰিছো আৰু ইয়াতে আমি বহুতখিনি উন্নতিও পাইছো কাম কৰি।
Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited has garnered numerous accolades and recognitions from both government bodies and private entities. These acknowledgements underscore their commitment to excellence and innovation in the field of waste management.
When we started our Fresh Air industry, at that time there were very few people who knew about us. But slowly, by virtue of good service, people started knowing us.
At Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited, their team of dedicated engineers plays a pivotal role in ensuring efficient and effective biomedical waste management processes. With their expertise and innovative approach, they oversee the intricate process of waste treatment, adhering to strict government regulations and standards. From waste collection to disposal, engineers implement advanced technologies and methodologies to minimize environmental impact and maximize resource utilization.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम कौशिक दास है। मैं फ्रेश एयर वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट सर्विस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड का मैं सीनियर इंजीनियर हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे पिछले 4 साल से जॉब कर रहा हूँ, कोविड के टाइम से कर रहा हूँ और यहाँ पे काम करके मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम रमेन गोस्वामी है। मैं फ्रेश एयर वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से 15 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। मैं एज ए फैक्ट्री मैनेजर पे पद पे हूँ। मैं पूरा कंपनी का पूरा देखता हूँ, एज ए मैन पावर, साफ सुथरा ये सब देखता हूँ।
In conclusion, at Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited, they stand at the forefront of biomedical waste management, pioneering innovative solutions since our inception in 2003. With a steadfast commitment to safeguarding public health and the environment, they continue to lead the way in ensuring proper disposal and treatment of biomedical waste. Their dedication to excellence and compliance with the highest standards is unwavering. As they move forward, they remain steadfast in their mission to create a cleaner, healthier future for all. Thank you for entrusting Fresh Air Waste Management Services Private Limited with your waste management needs.